From production to creation, it's clear that Chinese products deserve a bigger stage. Back then, we had been thinking a lot about whether we should actually create this platform. After all, we had already developed a following on various third-party platforms. But then I came to realize that while third-party platforms were growing rapidly, SMEs on such platforms were still lagging behind, which had seriously undermined the global accessibility of Chinese products. Given those challenges, we decided to establish Banggood as an independent platform dedicated to offering one-stop services for Chinese SMEs who sought to make quality products globally accessible. And it's not just Chinese brands that need global consumers. Global consumers need Chinese brands as well. But this process of linking brands and consumers involves navigating language-related challenges, cultural gaps, and accurately translating Chinese-specific concepts into other languages. An elderly overseas consumer once told us her frustrating experience of shopping for a Chinese silk scarf. For most elderly people, navigating on a smartphone and typing on a small keyboard are already difficult enough. The consumer shopping for the scarf didn't know how to describe the item she was looking for and had to give up. That's why we decided to add a picture search function, offering a more straightforward search method than word descriptions. For an online platform, the rollout of each new function requires a huge amount of time and energy for development and testing. Fortunately, ML Kit, provided by HMS Core, has saved us from untold hassle, enabling us to bring this new function online in just 3 days, and to provide our users with an enhanced shopping experience, as well as making our vision a reality. We are well aware that users' needs change quickly, and that Banggood must be nimble and responsive to take the next step forward. The fully open HMS ecosystem empowers internet-based companies to respond quickly to shifting user priorities. And the cross-channel global services offered by HUAWEI, from distribution to promotion and traffic support, have allowed developers to chase their dreams and change the world. Banggood has helped Chinese brands garner global acclaim by offering a premium shopping experience, sharing Chinese culture, and bridging cultural gaps, one step at a time. Together, grow.